Diego. So I just quickly came into the enclosure. The dogs barked. That's what called Diego. So he just came to see what is going on. He just woke up. So yeah, everybody knows the sound of Diego when he wakes up. And I noticed something right here. I think this is quite interesting. Well, I know that this is Enzo, and he vomited over here, and you can see how he ate grass, but when I looked at it, I saw that little bone there. So I'm going to just show you what this looks like. This is usually that knee part of the chicken. I'm going to try and focus in on it nicely. Let me just see if I can get that. So yeah, that is the knee part of the chicken that I always try and get rid of and not feed the tigers, because it just does not dissolve all the way. And you can see how it's dissolved. It did dissolve quite a lot. I'm going to try and focus on it nicely. But it's not possible to dissolve it all the way in time. So they tend to get a little nauseous. They eat grass, and well, that's what it looks like. So there was a little rain that fell on this to wash it a bit clean and to expose the grass like that. So yeah, there's no smell whatsoever. It's just something that they just have to get out. So those little bones are definitely not a very good thing for the tigers. The dogs have much better control in getting rid of it. But yeah, tigers eat a lot of chickens, and that's the only one that is left there. So it's not that bad. I try and always cut the legs of the chickens right at the knee, because that at least halves those bones, and it works. Sometimes you get this every time that you feed them that chicken legs. So yeah, they're not really built to consume those bones. Thanks for watching, guys. It's just some experience that I picked up, and yeah, I thought I'd share it with you guys. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.